Okay, so I'm going to show you the easiest way of getting a vector image if you've produced something that is really crisp by hand and on white. Then the process can be very simple indeed. There'll be brownie points for if you can produce your vector in other more complex ways where you're in command and controlling it, but this is the basic way of doing it. I'm just going to take you through starting a new document. On the menu, File, New. I'm going to call this letterform 2. Check it's on A4. Okay, so a blank document. I'm going to import an image in. On the menu, File, Place, as I showed you how to do previously. We're going to place that image. We're going to just resize it with Shift so we don't distort it at all. We're going to then zoom back in. We're going to rotate it. Okay. So here we go. Nice black image on white. And all we need to do is click on that artwork, go to Object on the menu, go down to Image Trace, Make and Expand. You'll get a dialog box that comes up saying the process will take a while. Just click OK. You can see the progress, and then there basically we now have a really complex vector image. It's sort of traced it, but with hundreds of these little points. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get rid of these background marks, which aren't required. So I'm going to click on the white arrow on the toolbar on the left, called the Direct Selection tool, and I'm going to click off of the edge of the letter. I'm going to click and drag to select just those extra little elements. Let's try that again. Click and drag, so just those elements are selected, and then you can click delete on your keyboard to get rid of those. So now we just see the final letter form. Now to clean up and simplify the edges of this, we're going to click onto the letter form. We can just use that black selection tool arrow, and then we can go to Object, Path. The path is basically the path that is created by all these little anchor points, and we can go Simplify. Just click OK, and then we can see that that has now been sort of smoothed out and broken into just a few little key points. So that is looking much better now. Okay, and then we can go around and we can tweak these edges up later. Okay, so that was importing an image that is black on a white background and using the image trace option to create a vector.